Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix the verify it's you or could not sign you in problem when opening the Google Keep Notes app on your Android phone. My name is Sazam Anthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. So when I try to open the Google Keep Notes app, instead of opening normally, it shows a message saying verify it's you. It asks me to sign in with a Google or Gmail account. The problem is I don't want this Gmail account on my phone. I don't remember the password of this account. Because of this, I cannot sign in and Google Keep does not open. Now let me show you how to fix this issue step by step. First, open settings on your phone. Then find Google or accounts. Tap on Google. Here you will see the Gmail account that is showing in the verify it's you message in Google Keep. Tap on that Gmail account. After that, tap on the vertical dots which are at the top right corner. Now tap on remove account. A warning message will appear saying removing this account will delete its messages, contacts and other data from this device. Don't worry, just tap on remove account again. The Google account is now removed successfully. Now let me open the Google Keep Notes app again. As you can see, Google Keep opens normally and the verify it's you could not sign you in problem is fixed. So viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.